Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the one key on Milwaukee tools to lock or unlock the tools. Now, in order for this to work, you do have to have the app downloaded onto your phone, and you also have to have the tool set up for you in order to unlock and lock the tool. Okay, so this tool is usable, and we're going to basically lock it out and see if that keeps it from being able to be used. So you'll open up the One Key app, and if you look at the tool where the status is, we're going to change where it says in use, and we're going to flip that over to stolen as an example to deactivate it. So now you see in red it shows stolen, so this will keep the tool from being able to be used until we switch that back. Okay, so on the app, we switched the status to stolen. Now, when you pull the trigger, you'll notice that this one key lights up as red. So the tool will not work. Okay, so even if you take the battery off of it, I think that's gonna help you plug it back in. This tool will not work. So now we're going to select connect, and when we do, it brings up our menu for the tool, and as you can see, it shows tool lock. So we turn that back off, and now you can see it blinks and then it's able to be used again. So now when we go to use the tool, it works, and so that's how you can turn the tool lock on and off. So thanks for watching. Please check the video description. I have a whole playlist of videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.